one of our teachers, they told a story of a person who was living in a hut, little food, little water, fasting, praying. And he had a student. The student came to him and he said, I know you're going to a city. When you go to the city, give salam to a very specific person that I honor and respect. And he was intrigued to find out who this person would be in the city, who his own teacher, who was completely disengaged with the world, wanted to give salam to. He arrived in the city, he asked for the person's abode, he found this house, and in fact it was not a house, it wasn't a house, it was a palace. He went in and he found this person sitting with fantastic clothes on, opulence, and the person presented them with a meal, and they ate, and the person ate, and the guest ate. And he said, my teacher said to me to give salam. And he gave salam and he left. And when he returned back to his teacher, he actually expressed something that had bugged him and concerned him all that time. Is that how can his teacher respect a person who is living in a degree of luxury, a degree of affluence? His teacher said to him, you miss something that I know, which is that person has a connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that can never be broken. And he is not distracted by the world in that connection. And he said, me as a person who sent you there fears for themselves that if Allah gives them even a small amount of the world, I'll be destroyed. That he could deal with the world in their hand, but he didn't allow it to get into the heart.